right, we're going to take a look at number 9, which is at the top of page 5 of the classwork, Healthy Diet and Cataracts. So this is from the Women's Health Initiative. They're looking at whether eating food that is rich in vitamins and minerals can postpone cataracts. So I'd like to pause the video and give the problem a try, and then we'll come back in a few seconds and we'll discuss. All right, so the first question says, explain why this is an observational study rather than an experiment. Well, the easy answer is that it says observational study right there in the title. But let's see if we can come up with another reason for why this would be a study and not an experiment. So first of all, we're looking at how people eat, and the food, we're interested particularly in the food that's rich in vitamins and minerals. So I can't really assign people to eat food that is low in vitamins and minerals because we know that that can cause health problems, right? Scurvy and all kinds of things, right, that happened as we're sailing across the ocean and things like that. So we can't assign people to just have food that doesn't have vitamins and minerals in it. We also, I would assume that this is going to take some length of time. Like you can't just eat healthy for a week and then magically you won't get cataracts. I would imagine that this is kind of maybe a lifelong habit of eating healthy. And so if that's the case, then we would be looking at assigning people into a group of not eating healthy for many, many years and eating food that is rich in vitamins and minerals. But yeah, you can't cheat off of that. You can't have a day where you maybe don't that way, right? So I think this would be just the logistics of it would make it really difficult to do as an experiment. All right, so let's take a look at the conclusion from this research. So it says the data add to the body of evidence suggesting that eating foods rich in a variety of vitamins and minerals may contribute to postponing the occurrence of the most common type of cataract in the U.S. Okay, so we have this suggesting, may contribute, sort of, kind of, we think, maybe, right? So not the strongest of language, right? So the question says, although the result was statistically significant, the authors did not use strong language in stating their conclusions, instead using words such as suggesting and may. Do you think that their language is appropriate given the nature of the study? So I would say yes. This is, we've clearly talked about this being an observational study. You cannot get cause and effect from an observational study. So the best we have is that there's a correlation or some sort of relationship. And so we do need to use that weaker language, tends to, may, suggest, because we do not have cause and effect here.